Okay, let's start. Method 1, we'll click on the start button here on the bottom left. Go to settings and open settings. Click on the ease of access. Here it is. And scroll down and find the interaction. Scrolling down, scrolling down. Here it is. And click on the mouse. Turn off the option that says turn on mouse keys to use the numeric keypad to move the mouse pointer. Turn this off. Close the settings and test your numeric keypad. Thank you. On method 2, we'll enable numeric keypad using the on-screen keyboard. Open the on-screen keyboard by pressing Ctrl Windows key and O at the same time. Here it is. This will open on the on-screen keyboard on your screen. Click on the option button at the bottom right corner. Options. Here it is. Enable the numeric key. Find the option that says turn on the numeric keypad and check the box next to it. Here it is. Checked it and apply the changes. Click the OK. Alright.